I'm gonna use the orange shade light color palette. I'm just gonna use all the orange shades because you know what, whatever. So I'm gonna use the Just a Beauty brush. Ay, se me cae esta blusa. Okay, so just gonna blendy. I was dancing, so I'm sweating. How to put my hair up. I need to wash my hair after this. It's oily. Sweating. I just changed shirts. But yeah, I'm slacking. So I had to do one real quick. A look real quick. So yeah. Today I'm supposed to do a butterfly look for my PR collab. So let's see how it goes. Because the girl don't got freaking eyeliner. I mean, I do, but it's running out. So. Okay, so yeah, next I'm just gonna use, I don't know, you know what, I think I'm just gonna use the shimmer shades and maybe this, yeah, that one. Let me mix the shimmers. Oh, baby. That's how good it is. It's so buttery. So I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, that's it. I don't like my brows today. I had to use this one, an old eyebrow pencil, and because I ran out of the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil look. So they look thick and it's hard to blend to make it look light. I don't know, it's too much, but oh well. I'm gonna sprinkle the middle pressed glitter. Hey, what's this one? Again. Wow. I love that shape. I don't feel like doing like full blown butterflies, so I'm just gonna draw a little one. I hope it does a job. Loop, loop, así, luego a little loop, a loop, little dot, a little dot. Oops, I missed it. Maybe it's like this to add definition. A little dot here, a little dot here, a little dot here, a little dot here. Yeah, like that. But yeah, that's it. So now I'm just gonna use the orange shades for my bottom crease. But yeah, I don't take that long to do my makeup. I just draw quick. So I'm not sure, you know, but people are surprised when I say I just take like 30 minutes or an hour. Like they're like, oh, how? But I don't know. It just easy to me. I don't know. I've been doing this for like 6-7 years or more. So yeah, that's it. Put mascara, eyelashes. Boom, I'm done. I do the other eye. Face. I'm gonna come back later. I forgot my scattered rain to use this light shade for my waterline, and I think I'm gonna color inside of my butterfly, maybe. So that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm gonna color it, I guess, the same shade in the middle, like that. And maybe like a darker orange. So I mixed these two, and I'm just gonna use it to color this part, the outside. I kind of liked it white. It looked like better, more the popular. Oh well. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that or white inside. Okay, for the lashes, I'm gonna use the AC Beauty, ¿cómo se llama? Irene. I think Irene. And then, because they look like a butterfly wings, this flap, a small one. And then the mascara, I'm gonna use this. So it's Big Lashes Volume Pro Mascara. And I'm gonna show you later. And look how pretty. This side, I decided to do butterfly. So yeah, I'm gonna do my face now. So even though I don't have it, I have a lot of experience doing makeup myself. I'm trying to look for people so I can practice. So if y'all are in the Houston area or surrounding cities, hit me up please, and for free. Y'all don't have to pay me. I'm just trying to find people that I can practice with. It'll be fun, you know. So yeah, if y'all know somebody, let me know please. I'm just gonna use whatever blush, orange blush or whatever. So yeah. And now I'm trying to buy those things to practice with that has been trending right now. But then if I do it, people are gonna think I'm copying them. But no, like I've been eyeing that, but I just haven't bought it yet. But I'm gonna have to practice with those maybe, so people will be like, oh, it looks nice. If she doesn't, maybe I'll let her do it to me, because you know people don't trust people, you know, especially when they do your hair. They're like, nah, you're gonna mess me up. So they probably think that with makeup, but no, I'm good, I promise. Well, on me, maybe not on y'all, but still be fun to play around and like learn. But if not, it's fine, I'll figure it out somehow. I hope, because it's hard finding people that let you do their makeup. So yeah. Ow, okay. Can't go wrong with a brown lip liner. It's my favorite. So after that, I'm just gonna use the AC Beauty liquid lipstick. When it's in the shade Applause, 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 applause. Okay, so it's so buttery, so good and thick and thick. Bloop, that's it, and then I go and then fill in the rest. And fix it with the brush so I don't mess up with a smaller brush. A little bit of clean color highlighter, blue, and then I'm just gonna put the earrings, let my hair down, and I'm done. I take pictures, and yeah, that's it. Normally I do this for YouTube and then a little bit on TikTok with one eye, but I decided today to just do TikTok. I did not do YouTube. It takes so long. I don't want to do it. But I wanted to do a tutorial. So yeah, I hope y'all like this talk through tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye. For decoration, I had to do a butterfly clip. So pretty. I'm just gonna use these tiny earrings. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. You like it? You like it? Or no, you like it? I see it. Do like that if you don't, and like this if you do that. Yeah. Okay, now bye for real now. Bye. Adios.